Hello and welcome to our video on the importance of due diligence in fix and flip investing. My name is Carlos, and I'm a real estate investor with years of experience in the fix and flip market. Fix and flip investing can be a great way to make money in the real estate market, but it's important to approach it with caution. One of the most important steps in the process is conducting due diligence on the property you're considering investing in. Due diligence is the process of researching and evaluating a property before making a purchase. This includes things like inspecting the property, researching the neighborhood and comparable sales, and reviewing any legal documents related to the property. Why is due diligence so important? For starters, it can help you avoid costly mistakes. By thoroughly researching a property, you can identify any potential issues or red flags before you make an offer. This can save you thousands of dollars in repairs and renovations down the line. Due diligence can also help you make a more informed decision about the potential profitability of a fix and flip. By researching comparable sales in the state of the local real estate market, you can get a better sense of how much you can realistically expect to make on the sale of the property. But perhaps most importantly, due diligence can help protect you legally. By reviewing all legal documents and ensuring that the property is free and clear of any liens or other legal issues, you can avoid any potential legal headaches down the line. So, how do you conduct due diligence on a fix and flip property? Here are a few key steps to consider. 1. Inspect the property. Hire a professional home inspector to thoroughly evaluate the property and identify any potential issues or repairs that will be needed. Inspecting the property is an important step in the due diligence process for fix and flip investing. A professional home inspector will thoroughly evaluate the property and identify any potential issues or repairs that will be needed. This includes things like checking the condition of the roof, foundation, electrical and plumbing systems, as well as identifying any potential safety hazards or code violations. A home inspector will also provide a detailed report outlining the condition of the property and any recommended repairs or upgrades. It is important to hire a qualified and licensed home inspector, who has experience in inspecting properties similar to the one you are considering to invest in. This can help ensure that you get a comprehensive and accurate assessment of the property's condition. During the inspection, it is also recommended that you accompany the inspector, so you can ask questions, take notes and get a better understanding of the property's condition. This will help you to have a clear picture of what type of repairs and renovations will be needed, and how much they will cost. By thoroughly inspecting the property, you can identify any potential issues or repairs that will be needed, and factor that into your overall investment decision. This will give you a better sense of the true cost of the project and help you make a more informed decision about whether or not to move forward with the investment. 2. Research the neighborhood. Look at comparable sales in the area to get a sense of the local real estate market and how much you can realistically expect to make on the sale of the property. Researching the neighborhood is an important step in the due diligence process for fix and flip investing. By looking at comparable sales in the area, you can get a sense of the local real estate market and how much you can realistically expect to make on the sale of the property. This information can be crucial in determining the potential profitability of the project and helping you make a more informed investment decision. To research the neighborhood, you should start by looking at comparable sales in the area. This includes looking at properties that are similar in size, condition, and location to the one you're considering investing in. Look at their selling prices, how long they were on the market, and what repairs and renovations were made before they were sold. This will give you a better idea of the current market conditions and what you can expect to make on the sale of the property. You should also research the neighborhood for any future development plans. If there are any new businesses or constructions, this can affect the future value of the property. In addition, it's also important to research the local school districts, crime rates, and other factors that could affect the desirability of the area. Researching the neighborhood and looking at comparable sales can give you a better sense of the local real estate market and help you make a more informed decision about whether or not to move forward with the investment. 3. Review legal documents. Make sure the property is free and clear of any liens or other legal issues. Reviewing legal documents is an important step in the due diligence process for fix and flip investing. It is important to make sure the property is free and clear of any liens or other legal issues before purchasing it. This will help protect you from any unexpected legal problems or financial liabilities that could arise after the purchase. When reviewing legal documents, it's important to check for any outstanding liens on the property. Liens can include things like mortgages, taxes, and judgments against the previous owner. These liens must be cleared before the property can be sold, and it can be the responsibility of the new owner to do so. It's also important to review the property's title to make sure it's clear and free of any other legal issues. This includes checking for any outstanding judgments, disputes, or easements that could affect your ability to use or sell the property. You should also review the zoning and building codes to make sure any renovation or construction plan you have will comply with the local laws and regulations. It's recommended that you work with a real estate attorney or a title company who can help you review the legal documents and ensure that the property is free and clear of any liens or other legal issues before purchasing it. By thoroughly reviewing the legal documents and making sure the property is free and clear of any liens or other legal issues, you can protect yourself from any unexpected legal problems or financial liabilities and make a more informed investment decision. 4. Consult with professionals. Talk to real estate agents, contractors, and other professionals to get a sense of the potential costs and profitability of the project. Consulting with professionals is an important step in the due diligence process for fix and flip investing. It can give you a sense of the potential costs and profitability of the project, and help you make a more informed investment decision. When consulting with professionals, it's important to talk to real estate agents, contractors, and other experts in the field. Real estate agents can provide valuable insight into the local real estate market, including information on comparable sales and current market conditions. They can also help you estimate the potential resale value of the property after repairs and renovations are made. Contractors and other construction professionals can provide you with a detailed estimate of the costs associated with the repairs and renovations required for the property. They can also give you an idea of how long the project will take, and what kind of materials and labor will be needed. This will allow you to estimate the overall cost of the project and compare it to the potential resale value of the property. It's also important to consult with other professionals like architects, engineers, and even financial advisors, to get a better understanding of the costs and potential profitability of the project. They can also provide you with information on any potential permitting or zoning issues that may arise, and help you navigate the legal side of the flip. By consulting with professionals and getting a sense of the potential costs and profitability of the project, you can make a more informed investment decision, and increase your chances of success in the fix and flip market. By conducting due diligence on a fix and flip property, you can make a more informed decision and protect yourself from costly mistakes. Remember, it's important to do your research and take your time before making any investments. Thanks for watching.